All right, guys, we're gonna show you momentum. Okay, so this is a personal favorite of ours. It's not super complicated, but you can't get tripped up doing it, so we'll go through it with you slow. You're gonna start out in a two-hand hold, and you're gonna do what's called a sugar push. You're gonna push your partner out, you're gonna let go of the right hand. When you pull your partner back in, put her hand on your right shoulder. Now you're not gonna turn or spin in any way, you're just gonna do a box step and let her walk around.
Okay, so girls, what we do is when he puts your hand on your shoulder, you're gonna take one step and then pivot. So basically what you're gonna do is you're not gonna take two steps. A lot of girls take two steps and then hand their leg. You're just gonna take one step, pivot your leg, bend it right into his arm. And then at this point, you're gonna get a little bit of a hop and he's gonna flip you.
So it's important that when she throws her leg around, you'll notice my left arm is under. It's important that you don't try to catch over like this, because then you can't do the move. So when she throws her leg around, have your arm ready to just catch like this, and then when she hops up, she's gonna turn and you're gonna catch her in your right arm.
Girls, what I do is I end up grabbing the guy's neck at this point, or shoulders, because that's the safest spot for me. Also, it gives a little bit of flair to your move.